Want to crop and resize images like a pro? In this tutorial, I'll show you the best ways to adjust your images in Photoshop. Fast and easy. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the crop tool. You can find it in the toolbar or just press C on your keyboard. Once selected, you'll see a bounding box around your image. Want to straighten your image? Just move your cursor near the corners and rotate slightly to adjust the angle.
Now let's resize the image without losing quality. Go to Image Size, shortcut, Alt plus Control plus I. Here, you can set the exact width and height in pixels or inches. For best results, make sure to check Resample and choose Preserve Details 2.0 to maintain image sharpness. And that's it. Now you know how to crop and resize images like a pro. Don't forget to use these tips to keep your images sharp and high quality. Subscribe for more Photoshop tricks. Loudspeaker, leave a comment if you have any questions.